to show you how to do the waterfall braid, like this one here. Hope you enjoy. Pick up that piece of hair you're going to start the braid off with and split it into 3 equal pieces. Pick up the back strand and cross it over the center strand, and then pick up the front strand and cross it over the center. Now, before crossing the back strand over the center, pick up a small piece of hair and add it to the back strand. Now cross the back strand over the center strand. Do the same thing with the bottom strand. So, pick up a small piece of hair and add it to the bottom strand, and then cross this bottom strand over the center strand. Do the process once again on the top. Pick up a small piece of hair, add it to the top strand, and cross it over the center. Now comes for something different. So instead of crossing the bottom piece over the center, you drop the piece. And then pick up a small piece of hair to replace the piece. Once you have picked up this piece, roughly the same size as the other piece, cross it over the center. Now once again, pick up a small piece of hair and add it to the top strand. Then cross the top strand over the center strand. And instead of crossing the bottom strand over the center strand, you drop the strand and pick up a small piece of hair to replace the strand. Cross this piece of hair over the center strand. Then once again, pick up a small piece of hair to add to the top strand, and then cross this top strand over the center strand. Drop the bottom strand, pick up a new piece of hair, and cross this new piece of hair over the center strand. Now just continue this process. Now what I like to do is bobby pin the hair back, but you can braid the hair all the way down to the end and tie with an elastic, or you can continue the braid all the way around the head.